gentlemen, welcome back to the show. So I am here at work, but I'm 3D printing something at home, which is kind of freaking me out because I don't know if it stopped working. I don't know if it messed up and is extruding hot filament. But my adventure is your adventure. So with that said, if you're new to the show, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell for notifications, and send me some likes. So like I said, I am 3D printing something at home, and I am 3D printing one of the best vehicles in movie and TV history. This thing right here. That's right, the DeLorean. So in a couple hours, it should be done. Hopefully by the time I get home, it'll be done. So with that said, let's get to watching. So the 3D print is done. I had a little hiccup on the wheels, but I fixed that later on. Now, it doesn't look anything like the picture because the picture was 3D rendering. So here we go. It is done, and this is the turnout. Not the best, but it's there. I mean, it looks nice. You can tell it's DeLorean. And you know what? I might have to paint this after all. So I got the stand. Nice stand. It's all primed and everything. Then you got the DeLorean. Not bad. I could prime it a little bit better. I might have to prime it again. But yeah. I didn't get inside the wheel carriage or anything like that. But all in all, it came out nice. Not bad. Not bad. So I think I will paint it. I just seem like I have to paint it. So stay tuned for that video when I paint the bad boy. So until next time, peace.